Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to safely use a jack on your Nissan Altima. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, solid surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Always refer to your Altima's owner's manual for precise, model-specific instructions and diagrams. This ensures you follow the manufacturer's recommended procedures for your vehicle. Next, locate the correct jacking points on your Nissan Altima. These are crucial for preventing damage to your vehicle. Typically, you'll find reinforced pinch welds along the side sills, marked by 2 small notches. These are designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. For some models, there might also be central jacking points located on the front or rear subframe, which are ideal for lifting an entire end of the car. Now, let's lift your Altima. Position the jack head directly under the designated jacking point, ensuring it's stable and centered. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle using the jack handle. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is approximately 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Crucially, once the vehicle is lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the frame rails near the jacking points for essential support. Never rely solely on the jack. Finally, it's time to lower your Altima. Slowly release the jack, allowing the vehicle to rest securely on the jack stands. Once the weight is fully supported, remove the jack. After completing your work, raise the vehicle slightly with the jack to remove the jack stands, then fully lower the car to the ground. Double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to the correct torque specification and stow all your tools. For more great tips and deals, like the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.